Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome back with cyber law subjects with your instructor Ali Raza Lagari. Uh, Dear students, all of you know that we discuss about the cyber laws in Pakistan. In previous lectures, we discussed about the some definition clause of the cyber law regarding the PICA Act, which is mentioned under the PICA Act definition. So some definition we'll discuss in this video. First of all, the critical infrastructures or data. What is the critical infrastructures information system or data means an information system, program or a data that supports or performs a function with respect to a critical infrastructures. What is the definition of the damage to an information system? These are the very important definitions. You should be focused on these definitions because of the all these definitions all the covered on the PICA Act 2016. What is the damage to an information system? Damage to information system means an unauthorized change in the ordinary working of an information system that impairs its performance, access, output or change in the local, whether temporary or permanent, and with or without causing any change in the system is called. So that other definitions, what is the meaning of the data? According to the Black's Law Dictionary, the data under the cyber law means that or include content of the data or traffic data. Both traffic data and the content data includes the should be called as data. Now, what is the data damage? Data damage means an alteration, deletion or deterioration or erosion or relocations, suspension of the data or making a data temporarily or permanently unavailable data is called the loss of data. Now the device, what is the meaning of the device? Device is also very important tool under the cyber law, which is called the PICA Act. The device includes physical device or articles, any electronic or virtual tool that is not in a physical form. A password, access the code or similar data in electronic or other form by which the whole or any part of an information system is capable of being accessed or automated. The second one is automated self-executing adaptive or autonomous devices programs is also covered the data of information system. These are the very important definition. So first of all, and other definition, dishonest intention. What is the dishonest intention? Dishonest intention, according to the Black's Law Dictionary, dishonest intention means an intention to cause an injury, wrongful gain or wrongful loss or harm to any person or to create hatred or incitement to violence. The second definition, electronic. What is the electronic mean? According to the Black's Law Dictionary, electronic includes the electrical, digital, magnetic, optical, biometric, electrochemical, electromechanical, wireless or electromagnetic technology. These are the core of definition of the which are mentioned under the cyber law, which is called PICA Act. And second, identity information. What is the identity information is also many times used under the PICA Act or cyber law. Identity information means an information which may authenticate or identify an individual or an information system and enable access to any data or information system. Information, what is the now the term is the information. What is the information? Information includes text, messages, data, voice, sound, database, video signals, software, or computer programs, any forms of intelligence as defined database under the Pakistan Telecommunication Act. Telecommunication Act 1996. So these are the most important definitions which are covered under the cyber law. I repeatedly said that this definition is very important regarding your understanding of the PICA Act as well cyber law. Now what is the meaning of the information system? What is the information system? Information system means an electronic system for creating, generating, sending, receiving, storing, reproducing, displaying, recording or processing any information. Now, definition of the integrity. Now, integrity means under the cyber law, what is the integrity? Under the PICA Act 2016, which are mentioned under the section 21, integrity means in relation to an electronic document, electronic signature, or advance the electronic signature or the electronic document or electronic signature that has not been tampered, which means not the electronic signature which does not include any tampered. Without tampered is pure. Tampered with altered or modified since a particular point in a time. Interference with the information system or data means and includes any. These are the more important unauthorized act in relation to an information system. Now, or data that may disturb. Now, this is the very clear definition. Data that may disturb its normal working or form with or without causing any actual damage to such system or data. Now, the third one definition of the 23 section, investigation agency. This is the very important investigation agency because of any crime or offense shall be investigated by the competent authority. Now, the investigation agency means the law enforcement agency established or designated under this act. Means कि ऐसा कोई एजेंसी जो पीका एक्ट के अंदर डेजिनेट किया गया है, इस्टेब्लिश किया गया है कि इन्वेस्टिगेशन प्रोसेस को कंटिन्यू रखे, कलेक्शन ऑफ द एविडेंस रखे रिगार्डिंग द कमिट ऑफ द क्राइम. Minor means any content in any other law, any person who has not completed the age of 18 years. This is the very simple definitions of the minor. Now what is the, now why use the give the definition of the minor by the PICA Act 2016? This is the very important term regarding the minor because of the in our society, in our country, in our areas, in our interior areas, the minors involved committing the crime of the cyber crime. Now these are the very important definitions of which are mentioned under the PICA Act 2016. Now some of the clear PICA Act, the Preventive of the Electronic Crime Act. Now, this laws was established in the 2016, which plays a significant role under the controlling of the crimes. Now under the controlling of the crime, which crime? Cyber crime. Now why these definitions are the important? Because of these definitions, these clause of the terms are discussed under the PICA Act in the different sections is also. So for the understanding of the PICA Act 2016, first of all, we should be know about the definition, understanding the definitions, because these are the summary, these are the key words which are used under the Preventive of the Electronic Crime Act 2016. Now we discuss about the data. Data is not include any material, but is not only include any material, these are also in the mail, email or personally data or any contents or any tags is also include the definitions which are included definition of the data. Now what is the devices? Now devices used under the cyber law, such like a computer, any websites, link, also link through the any device. Link are used through the any computer, any devices, any modern technology devices. These are the very examples in the Pakistan data are lost in the currently examples. Example, one of the big example or exceptional example or pivotal example regarding the cyber law. According to my knowledge, these are also cyber law because of the without any permission of us, without any information from us, the Google changed the setting of the all mobile devices. This is the very surprise for us that our mobile settings are changed without any intimation, without any information, without any notice. They are very surprisingly now, which means that our mobiles, our data are not safe because of the when the device, जब devices के setting change हो जाता है ऑटोमेटिकली, जब हम सरप्राइजली देखते हैं कि सेकेंडली हमारे मोबाइल की डिवाइसेस की सेटिंग चेंज हो गया है, मीन्स अब हमारा कुछ भी नहीं रहा. इसका मतलब है कि हमारा डाटा भी उनके पास शो हो रहा होगा. इसका मतलब है हमारी जो प्राइवेसी है वो भी हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है. इसका मतलब है जो हमारे पास एक पर्सनली डाटा है, जो हमारे एक छोटा डिवाइस, माइनर डिवाइस है जिसको एक मोबाइल कहा जाता है, वो भी सेव नहीं है. तो इसलिए तो ये साइबर लॉ है. अकॉर्डिंग टू माय नॉलेज, दिस इज आल्सो एक्ट इंक्लूड अंडर द साइबर लॉ कि भाई हमारे प्राइवेसी को, हमारे डेटा की सेटिंग को, हमारे डिवाइसेस की डेटा को कोई और कंट्रोल क्यों कर रहा है, क्यों सेटिंग चेंज कर रहा है. This is also the definition cover under the cyber law. So the cyber law is the very important under the modern time or the whole of the world. In Pakistan, I generally said the cyber law should be implemented, और ये इम्प्लीमेंट होना लाजिम है ताकि हमारा डाटा जो है, हमारी प्राइवेसी जो है वो सिक्योर रहे, वो सेव रहे, जो आजकल हमारा सेव है ही नहीं. यानी कि मोबाइल सेटिंग ऑटोमेटिकल कि किसका सुबह 10 बजे हो गया, किसका 11 बजे हुआ, ओवरऑल हमारी सेटिंग चेंज हो गई मोबाइल की, तो ये हमारी सेव नहीं है. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, these definitions also very important definitions which are mentioned under the PICA Act 2016, because of these are the key words of overall the act. We should be discuss about these definition and wants to clear the concept regarding this definition. What is the device, what is modern device, what is the technology, what is infrastructures, what is the data. You should be know about the data कि data में क्या include है, क्या exclude है, और cyber law में data किसको कहा जाता है, other law में data को क्या कहा जाता है. तो ये आपने इसको हमने डिस्कस करना है इन डेप्थ में, ताकि हमारा जो पीका एक्ट और साइबर लॉ के जो कीवर्ड्स हैं आगे हमारे क्लियर हो जाए। थैंक यू सो मच। इंशाल्लाह वी विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर्स इन अब मैं आपसे इजाज़त मांगता हूँ। इंशाल्लाह ताला वी विल मीट सून। थैंक यू सो मच।